Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, July 5, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a long day ahead.
Same here. I've got a pile of work waiting for me.
Oh, the usual office grind. Hey, at least we've got this coffee break to chat.
True, it's the best part of the morning. What's on your mind today?
Well, I was reading some news while sipping my first cup. Did you see anything about Europe's new trade rules?
Yeah, I did. They're making new rules to help small businesses with better trade deals.
That's pretty cool for us in sales. I might get to push more products to Europe now.
It could be a big opportunity. These rules might make it easier for smaller companies to grow.
Exactly. I'm thinking more clients, more deals, and maybe a bigger bonus for me.
Always thinking about the money. But yeah, it could help our company expand too.
For sure. If we get more business, I'll be running around even more.
Well, growth is good even if it means more work. Do you think our boss will jump on this soon?
I hope so. I'll mention it in my next sales meeting.
Good idea. It's worth bringing up for sure.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Hey, speaking of new stuff, did you hear about that new tech app?
Yes, a big company just released it. It's for managing work tasks and schedules.
Oh, I need that so bad. My desk is full of sticky notes everywhere.
It's got some neat tools. You can organize projects and set reminders for deadlines.
That sounds like a lifesaver. I keep forgetting client follow-ups.
It might help with that. You can even share tasks with your team.
Nice. Maybe I won't look so messy in front of the boss anymore.
Let's hope it works. It could save a lot of time for everyone.
Totally. Less time on planning means more time for coffee breaks?
You and your coffee breaks. But yeah, efficiency is always a plus.
For sure. If I can get my work done faster, I'm all for it.
Same here. I've got so many projects to track. This app might be a game changer.
Let's download it later. We can figure it out together.
Good plan. I'll check if it's free or if the company will pay for it.
Yeah. Let's not spend our own cash. Hey, on a different note, did you see the news about that huge music event?
Oh yes, it's happening in a big city abroad. Some really famous stars are performing.
Man, that sounds awesome. I'd love to be there just chilling with some good tunes.
Me too. It's been ages since I went to a big concert like that.
Same. Imagine taking a day off from sales to just dance and forget about targets.
That would be a dream. Music always lifts my mood after a tough day.
Totally. I bet the crowd there will be huge, everyone singing along.
I can picture it. It's nice to think about something fun for a change.
Yeah, work can get so boring sometimes. Hey, maybe we can watch it online after hours.
That's a great idea. We could stream it if it's live.
Cool, let's do that. I'll bring some snacks if we watch at the office.
Deal. It'll be like a mini party after work.
For sure. We deserve a little fun after all these meetings and calls.
Absolutely. Speaking of meetings, I've got one coming up soon.
Oh, don't remind me. I've got a bunch of client calls lined up today.
Sounds like we're both busy. How many calls do you have?
Like 5 or 6. My phone is going to be glued to my ear all day.
That's a lot. I've got 3 project updates to handle, so I'll be stuck at my desk.
Man, we're in the same boat. Just keep pushing through, right?
Right, a good coffee helps, though.
This coffee is my best friend today. Hey, about those trade rules, do you think they'll really help us soon?
I think so. It might take a few months, but it could bring new clients.
I hope it's quick. I've got quotas to meet, you know.
I get it. For my projects, more business means more planning, but it's worth it.
Yeah, we'll manage. Hey, back to that app. Is it easy to use?
From what I read, it looks simple. Just a few clicks to set up your tasks.
Good, because I'm not great with tech. I just need something basic.
Don't worry, I can help if you get stuck. It's made for people like us.
Thanks, Alex. You're the best with this tech stuff.
No problem. I just like things to be organized.
That's why you're the project manager. I'd be lost without your kind of thinking.
Haha. And I'd be lost without your energy and sales. We make a good team.
For sure. Hey, about that music event, who do you think is performing?
I'm not sure, but I heard some big names. Maybe we'll see the list online.
I hope it's someone I like. I just want loud music and good vibes.
Same here. It's a nice escape from all the office stress.
Totally. Work is important, but we need a break sometimes.
Agreed? Just thinking about music makes me feel lighter already.
Me too. Let's keep that positive vibe for the day.
Yes, let's do that. I think I'm ready to tackle my meeting now.
Same here. I'll get through those calls with a smile.
That's the spirit. Hey, let's chat again at lunch if we're free.
Sounds good. I'll swing by your desk if I'm not on the phone.
Perfect. I'll save you a spot if I'm there first.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, before we go, one last thing about those trade rules.
Sure, what's up?
Do you think it'll mean more paperwork for us at first?
Maybe a little, but in the long run, it should make things smoother.
Okay, I can handle a bit of extra work if it pays off.
Exactly. It's all about the bigger picture.
Got it. All right, I'm heading back to my desk now.
Me too. Catch you later, David.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too? Take it easy.
Will do. Let's keep rocking this day.
Haha, let's do that. See you soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.